The first thing we need is a fruit cup bowl.
A fruit cup bowl? No, wait. Say we need. Okay, so tell them with our box.
With our box,
We're gonna just take it,
take
cut it
it
in half.
and cut it up.
See, we took the original box is like this tall, and we cut it in half. Okay, and then we're gonna cut it from one corner.
Just gonna climb through here.
He's gonna climb through here. We gotta disguise it after. Okay, so we're gonna cut from one corner to the other corner. See that? And it's gonna open like that. You might need to put a strip of glue right there to keep it together, but it'll open like that. And then we took part of our box, right? And we glued it onto the front so it wasn't open, okay? So you'll have this open piece right here. And you'll... Okay, what do we need next, Brennan?
We need a hard piece of cardboard.
Yeah, from like an Amazon box or a package, okay? It needs to be a little... And we're gonna just glue it on to the back of our box, okay, Brennan?
I have the rubber band on my
look what I'm gonna do.
head.
You're putting a rubber band on your head? Look what I'm gonna do first, Bray.
What?
I'm just gonna cut out a little notch in our cardboard. See how we did there?
Yeah.
And we're gonna glue that onto our box on the back. Okay, so here's the opening. Doot, doot, doot. And we're gonna glue that back there. Just like that. You're gonna glue it to the front of your box on the inside, okay? So you can kind of see there. So we open it up and we're gonna put it right in there and glue it to the front of our box. So you have that little knot in the back. See our little square that we put on, Brennan?
No, I
You
don't
want
know.
the notch to be higher than the box, okay? You don't want it to be even with the box, the edge of the box. You want it to be higher than the box. So then when you have your string, it can come and lay on that and pull it up. See that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we're almost done.
Yeah.
You excited?
Just need.
We're gonna trim the end of our popsicle stick, right, Brennan? So it's even with the box.
So you have super speed just like me.
What else do? And then we'll glue our string up and around. Like that. Okay, so we're gonna make a little bridge, okay, for our leprechaun to get the gold. So we're just gonna use a piece of cardboard, like this, okay, a couple inches long, and we're gonna put it inside our box, right where our paper clip's gonna go. And we're just gonna glue it right in there, like that, like a little bridge, okay? Can you do that? What have we got now?
We have a bridge.
That little bridge and the paper clip. So we have our circle paper clip with a straight edge, and we're just gonna slide it in there. Okay, slide it in there in the hole.
Okay.
Straight through. Slide it in. So it came out the back.
Yeah.
Okay, and it's just kind of resting on there. Now we're gonna pull our string.
I'm goopy.
Okay, so see how we just put glued it together straight down and left a long loop to attach to our paper clip.
I'm burning.
Okay, good job.
Close
Gonna make sure it's dry.
I got your bait.
Brennan? Ooh, a cookie. What should we put in there? What does the leprechaun want? Does he want a
A
cookie?
cookie.
He wants a cookie? Dad gives. Okay, see that? Resting on our bridge. Paper clip staying in there. You gotta kind of mess with it a little bit to see and get it to stay. But now we're good to go. Okay, so Brennan, should we test it out?
Yeah.
Okay, so here's our straight out. Fast. Oh, did it get you?
Nope.
Oh. Are you filming again?
Guys, you can decorate your
Now you can decorate your paper, your
yes.
box, right?
I'm gonna show them my super speed, okay, Mom?
Okay, let's see your super speed. Oh, it caught your thumb.
Wait, let me try again.
Okay.
This right here.
Ooh, you're super speedy. Do you think the
Super
leprechaun's
speedy.
gonna be that fast?
Yeah,
Yeah? Okay, we'll find out.
because Lucky's that fast.
Okay, what are you gonna put on your box?
Green tissue paper.
Okay, let's go get
Yay,
it.
now I
Time to decorate.